How's it going, everybody? Hey, gonna go over a couple of mods and stuff that I've done to my 2022 Z71 RST Silverado. A lot of people's probably covered some of these. I'm just gonna cover these 5 right quick, and then I've got some more to be doing. I went to Lasfit LEDs. I replaced my blinkers, my backup lights, and my license plate lights with all LEDs, because truck comes with all LEDs except for those 3 bulbs, and not sure why they didn't go ahead and LED those, but Lasfit is your best place to go for LED bulbs. That's where I bought all mine at. Get on their site, they will be able to hook you right on up. The other 2 things I'm going to go over today is my rough country 6-inch lift and my wheels and tires. We'll get to look in here. I went with the rough country lift, 6-inch lift on here, and balances the truck out, about perfect as far as fender space and everything. Went with the fuel wheels and the Nito Ridge grapplers, 35 1250 20s. What I went with seems to work out perfect. No rubbing or anything. Just seems to be the perfect combination for the truck. I did order the rough country mud flap delete, but I think I'm going to hold off and leave these on here because in wide tires, those mud flaps may protect that chips and that paint for just a little bit. Like I say, naturally the blinkers and stuff aren't LED. Whenever you get the truck, pretty impressed with those, and the backup lights for those things. I'll see if I can't come up with the part numbers, put them down in the link below. If you guys like our videos, we're going to keep doing some reviews on mods and upgrades to this and some more vehicles and reviewing some more stuff. If you all like the videos and stuff, hit that like and subscribe button. New to the YouTube organization, so we're trying to get things up and running, and appreciate everyone watching. Thank you.